Guys, knowing technical analysis is one thing, but getting insights from your online brokerage will definitely help you out in improving your consistencies for your trades. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Puprime. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It provides traders with powerful marketing analysis and research tools that is designed to elevate your trading strategies, guys. From in-depth analysis, in-depth reports to real-time trading signals, Puprime equips users with the insights that they need to navigate dynamic market conditions effectively, and so that you could also improve your trade's profitability. So whether you are a novice or an experienced professional trader, guys, leveraging these tools can actually help you out even more in creating and optimizing a strategy that is tailored for your goals. So Puprime's platform, guys, offers an array of resources, and it includes technical analysis, market news, and economic reports. So these insights enables traders to stay informed about the trends and identify the opportunities and refine their strategy. So guys, the platform's trading signals provide actionable recommendations, which is helping users align their decisions with the market movements. So I mean, you could rely on your technical analysis, yes, if you know how to do it, but having insights from your online brokerage will definitely boost and increase the chances of you having successful trades. Now guys, flexibility is crucial in trading, and you all know that already, especially if you are an experienced traders. As a market constantly evolves, with Puprime, traders can analyze historical data, test strategies in real time, and make adjustments as needed. So those are the type of tools that you need for you to be able to be, more effective at what you do. I'm not saying you're not effective or you have an inefficient workflow, but if you could include more tools, more features that would benefit you and increase your consistency for the trades, why not, right? So Puprime's tools also emphasizes the importance of adapting to market changes. Staying rigid in a volatile environment can lead to missed opportunities, guys. And while flexibility ensures ongoing alignment with marketing conditions. Now, with Puprime's market insights, traders can actually gain the knowledge and the tools to create, optimize, and adapt their strategies for their success. Now, by staying informed and flexible, traders can actually confidently navigate the complexities of the market. Guys, make sure to go ahead and check out Puprime. You will also be able to create a demo account. As you can see right on your screen, you have the live account, you have your demo account. So let me show you this, guys. This is my personal favorite here. You click on tools. Okay, you have your notional volume calculator. You have the definition of the notional volume, why it matters as well. So you have more education on that one. You can click on auto chartist. I have this market report. Let me click on that one and I'll show you what you can find in this. Mind blowing. Look at this. You have the upcoming high impact economic releases. Okay, you have report time, and this one generates 3 reports per day. All right, report time, you can click on it so you could go back to like the other reports that was done. And you have the pairs here. USD to Japanese yen right now, target level 158.0850, target period, interval, pattern, length identified. You have this insights as well. USD JPY is moving towards a key resistance level at 158.0850. And you have previously tested this level 4 times on each occasion. It has bounced back off this level. Is this finally the time it will break through? So you could go ahead and check that one out, supported by upward sloping moving average. You have almost everything that you need, guys. You have AUD, USD. You could also read through this. Okay, so again, you could analyze this. You have analysis from your online brokerage already. This is super, guys. Again, make sure to check this one out. This will definitely be very, very helpful to you guys. You have trading opportunities. Let's click on that. Let me show you that real quick. Okay, so you have these stuff. You have cryptos, metals, commodities, indices, CFD shares, currencies, XRP USDT pair. So butterfly emerging 2 hours ago. Butterfly Fibonacci pattern identified at January 2 at 1815. Pattern is still the process of forming. Look at that. I mean, my goodness, right? You have this. You really have this. I mean, go ahead and check this one out, guys. Utilize these tools to help you with technical analysis and to help you and validate your own technical analysis too. It's always helpful to have somebody or a professional doing their own technical analysis and you doing your technical analysis, so you compare it with each other. Then you can decide, am I going to go for this or go with what I have, right? So those are the type of things you want to look out for. And this will definitely be very, very helpful to you. So go ahead and check them out, guys. This is Puprime's website. It will be in the description of the video. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out.